All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, well, we're reviewing something that I don't have in my hands. Why? Because it's over there blowing on me. Okay, well, everybody gives me, well, let's say it, hell about being sweaty in my videos. I film these videos at 8:39, 10 o'clock at night in the shop. It's hard to have fans on because, well, they're noisy. You'd have trouble hearing me. As you can see by this, it is 88 degrees in the shop. But for the last couple weeks, I found a somewhat solution. And you'll see it, you'll figure it out by the thumbnail. It's the Milwaukee fan. Battery powered, 3 power levels, and this has become my go-to fan for filming. My audio doesn't pick it up real well. It's quiet. Now I got it going right at the camera. Doesn't record my sound, not the sound I use. I use a separate audio recorder. But from a little bit of a distance, it blows pretty good and keeps me a little cooler. Great little piece of kit, especially for under dash work. Let me go ahead and put it back on so I stay less sweaty. Really nice piece of kit, especially when you're in a car under a dash. Here in the shop, when we're doing rear brakes on any vehicle later in the day, sun kills us. All front bays get washed in summer heat. And I don't know if you guys have noticed in the shop tours, but yes, we have fans mounted on the walls, including one right there, and they don't do anything behind the vehicle. So this is going to be really nice this summer to be able to set on my roll cart and keep me cool while I'm doing rear brakes, because it gets hot. Obviously, it's powered by M18 batteries. Power usage isn't really that bad for a fan. I expected it to be much worse. It can also be powered through an AC adapter, so you don't have to use batteries. Obviously, the head is adjustable. So, feeling a little warm, you know what I mean. Really nice. Maximum is 90 degrees, by the way, but it has several positions, including pointed down, which, oh, that's nice. Including one of the positions is pointing down at the back of my neck, which feels really nice right now. Fan from Milwaukee. I'm enjoying it. It definitely comes in handy in these hot Georgia summer days. So, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.